you're welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you CARDI B hair mask method. I'm going to be showing you how I was able to achieve this. Stay back and watch how I was able to get this hair mask. So I'll be using one banana, and what I have here is black kernel oil, palm kernel oil. So made it from Nigeria, so I use it to substitute for the Jamaica black castor oil. Yeah, so this is the argan oil I have, and also olive oil and egg, and I have my mayonnaise, my coconut oil, egg. I don't have avocado, raw avocado, so you can use raw avocado, but this particular mask is pure avocados. Yeah, so you can use the organic avocado if you have them within your reach. Yeah, so my olive oil is kind of congealed to the weather here in Poland, so it's kind of so cold. Yeah, so I think the honey is not really like original honey, but all the same, it's still gonna give me what I want. Yeah, so you just have to like cut them all together. You can use 2 eggs, it all depends on the volume of your hair. So my hair is not much, so I decided to use 1 egg. Yeah, so you just have to put it all together, blend, make sure everything is smooth. Yeah, then this is my mask. You can do this once in a month or twice in a month. It all depends on you. Yeah, it all depends on you, but don't do it every week. Yeah, it's not good for your hair. It's not healthy for your hair. Twice in a month is perfect. Yeah, so I still trying to grow back my hair. You all know I chopped off my colored hair few months, that's 2 months ago. Yeah, so my hair so far so good. It's actually growing. This mask is very effective. It's good to help you straighten your hair. Yeah, also make it look shiny and beautiful. Yes, make it look shiny and beautiful. Also, you can also make your hair grow. Yeah, so I recommend this mask if your hair is looking so dull, yeah, and it's flaking, then this mask is perfect for your hair. So guys, just keep watching. Yeah. Okay, then you secure it with a shower cap, wherever you have, but don't heat it because you have egg inside. So if you heat it, it's gonna be like it's gonna like make the egg congeal. Like you won't like it, so you're gonna make your hair messy. You're gonna have something like residue. You're gonna be seeing some residue while trying to like wash your hair. And also make sure you don't wash your hair with hot water. use a lukewarm water, or not cold, not hot. Should just be like in between, because if you use a hot water to wash your hair, so it's gonna like make your leave some residue in your hair, and that is because of the erg in it. So erg don't like hot water, so avoid it while washing your hair. So you can use a bit cold water to wash your hair, then afterwards you can use the hot water to like rinse your hair. Yeah, it's perfect that way. Yeah, so like I said, you can do this like twice in a month. It's perfect if you do it twice in a month, and be consistent. So within 6 months, so you should be able to grow at least 5 inch, depending on how fast your hair grow. Yeah, sometimes my hair can be so fast while growing, sometimes it can slow down. It all depends on the situation you are, what you take, and also age has a factor, so plays a lot of role in this. So yeah, so far the first time I used it, and now I think I saw a bit fast growth, not really like too fast, but it's cool. Like, yeah, it's cool. So I'll be coming up with some natural hair videos, personal natural hair videos, like how to style your short hair without always wanting to wear wigs. Yeah, because I notice most sisters having very short hair like mine, we kind of feel like we're subjected to wearing wigs all the time. Yeah, I always feel that way, but I had the style I did last 2 weeks. I could not film it because they occurred to me to film it, so it was like a 2-3 day style. So you can take it, you can wear it for like a week if you want to, but not stressful. So I think I'm gonna do a video on that again. Yeah, hopefully. But I want to do a passion twist, my next video, hopefully. Yeah, so I'll do it alone. So I'm going to show you how I do it on my very short hair. Yeah, so my hair is not up to 3 inches. I think my hair should be like 2.5 inch or more, probably maybe 2.5 inch, 3 inch, because my hair kind of coil. Yeah, so it makes it shrinks a lot because it's coil. So yeah, so guys, thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Subscribe, like, share my video, because sharing shows you care about this channel. On my channel, I do a bunch of stuff. I do compilation videos, I do reaction videos, I do review. I review products, hair products, skin products. I do everything here. So my channel has a whole bunch of stuff I do here. So guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.